Hello, my name is Zidan, and today I'm going to be talking about an emerging trend known as conversational AI. So, conversational AI is an AI that enables machine to understand, process, and respond to you, the user, naturally, just like a human would do. So, one of the examples would be like natural language processing, the NLP, machine learning, speech recognition, and generation. It's basically a way of an AI that allows the machine to talk to the user in a human language, allowing the user and the machine to understand one another. Now, there's a difference between conversational AI and chatbot, like character AI. The difference that conversational AI is a broad concept. It's a concept, while as chatbot is the applied use of conversational AI. For example, you have chatbots that will respond you in a human language, right? And not only that, they can understand your inputs. And some even have a speech recognition that allows you to talk to them. That is the way conversational AI used in a chatbot. So yes, chatbot is the applied use. So there are four ways for us to categorize the way of conversational AI works. You have the retrieval or generative base, meaning that you will have like a library of responses based on what the user input, and if they retrieve one another based on what it says, it will be retrieval. There's a limit to that because you cannot put every single response to everything, but it's the most simple one. Then you have the generative base, which will be something like an ChatGPT would use. It's a generation base, so it will generate a text based on the user's input. You have the closed and open domain, which almost the same thing, whereas closed domain would be something that is already been intact, meaning that the AI can only respond around this area of topic. Whereas the open domain is a domain, meaning that in AI, the chatbot can basically use or talk about any topic, basically. Then you have task and non-task oriented, meaning a task would be something like a automated customer service, let's say, and then you will have the non-task, which is a more casual way, maybe like a character AI where you just chat with the bot itself. And then you have the long and short text, so you want a long one which is more engaging, or you have the short which is a more problem solving, or like just for the FAQ. And not only that, we basically have like three ways to summarize like all of the ways we categorize the AI, which is the rule-based, the generative, and the general. So yeah, rule-based is that you have specific response you already made. Generative, it will create response by its own, and general AI will be a conversational AI that we use generally for a lot more things rather than specialized. Which is why we will use these in something known as compound AI. So let's talk about the way we apply the conversational AI, which is the compound AI. Basically means an integration of multiple specialized AI systems. So you will have system like speech recognition, you have like prompting, you'll be able to generative. That's what ChatGPT kind of is. A compound AI that able to generate images, response, and search for response, and all those stuff, and still able to speak to you and all that. That's like what compound AI and the way we use conversational AI to apply it in the real world. Now there is something known as an agentic AI, meaning that it's an AI that has its own agency, meaning that it's able to act on its own intentionally. Now, why this a thing? It's because agentic AI is not a real, more like a way we describe AI, and it's something that we closely going to it, if not already have it somewhat. So to say that further, we will talk about the way of intelligence, the type of intelligence. We have ANI, artificial narrow intelligence, which is what we have now. It is used in compound AI, like I said, and it basically allows us to do a lot of stuff like GPT model are all based on compound AI kind of. And yeah, almost everything that I said just now is an NNI base. And we have AGI, which is artificial general intelligence. So this is a hypothetical future with AI having a human-like reasoning. So it's basically the thing that you see in movies, kind of. Not really exactly, but close. Because the one that you see in the movie is the ASI, artificial super intelligence. That is the Skynet, the Ultron. It's basically an AI that's far beyond the human capability. And that one is truly science fiction. But we are going to the AGI, probably, in the near future. So yeah, I'm going to close this video with that conclusion, in that if we able to continue on with this process of evolutionary in the AI world, we able to reach artificial general intelligence. Perhaps even an ASI is not that fiction, but that is for the future to decide. For now, we are happy because we are able to have time, we still have time to put ethics to make sure that the ASI or even just AGI to behave well and does not harm us in a bad way. That's all from me. Thank you.